Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will learn how to add command routing to Windows Form Control. And please visit my YouTube web channel and please watch my other videos, especially C#, C++, CLI, .NET Framework with MFC, this series of video. Please note that I am using Visual Studio 2015 Update 3. Now we will create MFC solution, C++ MFC application here. I will name MFC client. Then here command routing solution. I would say CLI command routing solution. Next, select Win7. Next, use ribbon. Next, I will unselect support restart manager. I select advanced pane menu items, show and activate the panes. Next, then I click finish. Right click MFC client project. In Solution Explorer, right click MFC client, then select properties, general, configuration general, select, make sure all configurations, all platforms, make sure these two are selected. Then here select common language runtime support, select this, apply. Then here optimization, then code generation. Here select enable minimum rebuild, select, apply. Then linker, debugging, select debug, then select optimize for debugging, apply. Then release and all platform, no, then apply. Then optimization, select all configuration, all platform, default, apply. Then OK. Right click the solution project again. Then project build only MFC client. Now copy 4248 here, 4248 linker warning. Right click, properties, linker command line, make sure all configuration, all platform, ignore, paste 4248, apply, OK. Now click here, then std-afx, double click it, scroll down here, include afx winforms.h, and using system Windows Forms DLL. Now save all, scroll down, right click std-afx, right click, compile. We are compiling only std-afx, this part only. Okay. Then we are adding a close all document. Now we are adding new solution, new project. Click solution, right click, add new project, CLR class library, CLR talk play fun TPF. Click OK. OK, close. Then select CLR TPF, add class. Select CLR user control here. Debug grid CTLR. Okay, debug grid CTLR. If you have error message like this, then just close it, then open it again. Okay, it opened successfully. Save all. Here, CLR talk play fun. This file is not needed. Right click, remove, delete. We also don't need this file, CLR talk play fun.cpp, remove, delete. Okay, here if property page is not displayed, view, you can open property page like this, other window, property window, then you can display property page like this, double buffered. Please set it true. Save all. We have to add a reference here. Right click, add a reference, browse. In your case, you may not have these two options. Then browse, scroll to, in case of you are using Visual Studio 2015, select Visual Studio 14. If you are using Visual Studio 2015, then VC, ATL MFC, LIV, then select MFC MIFC 80.dll, this file, then click OK. You should see MFC MIFC 80 is displayed, added in reference section. Save all. Now close it. Then in stdafx here, name like this, namespace MFC equal Microsoft Visual C, then MFC, like this. Save. Then in class view, here click debug grid control, right click, add variable. Here in the private access, variable type will be MFC : ICommandSource head. Then variable name mcmd src, like this. Finish. We added a member variable, this one. Now we are adding function. Add function, return type void, parameter type MFC, ICommandSource head, then public. Function name should be initialize, initialize. Then parameter name can be cmd command src command source. Sorry, please select virtual. Please don't forget clicking virtual, add, then finish. Okay, we added this function, double click it, then you have to see your code like this: one data member and one virtual public member. Now scroll up, save all, here scroll down, here enter like this, public MFC ICommandTarget, save all. Then we are adding one more function here, add a function, return type void, parameter is unsigned int. You can say cmd ui. Okay, here function name will be on command menu. Okay, add, then it can be private, like private, then finish. Okay, now save all. Here this and command src cmd src, it will be initialized when program executes. Then this cmd src. No, before we do that, we need to add some resources. Save, just right click, build only CLR talk play fun. In the solution explorer, right click CLR talk play fun, properties, link debugging here, debug, optimize for debugging. Make sure all platform is selected. Now select release, no, apply, then optimization, select all configuration, all platform, default. Okay, apply. Okay, now build, right, CLR talk platform, build project only. In resource view, if resource view is not displayed, you can view resource view like this. Resource view, select MFC client here, select menu, MFC client type here, edit here, type minus and then enter like this, save it, then say command command, then enter. Then in property window you should see id edit command, this id, then say run command. Now save all, now close all. Here ribbon, IDEA ribbon, double click to open it, toolbox, button, drag and drop here, click this, then select id edit command, select this, save, then caption should be command Enter. Please note that we haven't added event handler for this command. Now close it. Close all. In the Solution Explorer, click here. We are adding a header file. Right click, add new item. Select header file, res header h. Then here include resource h. Save it. Now we are going to access this file we just created. Right click, property. You have to select CLI Talk Platform Project property, C++ General, all computation, all platform. Here, edit, here, solution dir MFC client, like this. Then it should be resolved properly. Okay, then apply. Okay, then here, then stdafx, we can now add include res header. Now save it and click, right click, build, compile. Okay, now close all. Here, double click it, right click, view code, scroll down. Now here, back again, this CMD source, add command handler. Then this is ID, edit, command. Then GC new MFC command handler. Then here, this we need to have this class name, copy, debug grid control. Then here, on command menu, like this. I'll close it. Now you can see the whole code. Let me double check it. Okay, we are adding event handler, command handler here. Then here, now we can access like this: system, Windows, forms, message box. Wow. Now Ctrl F5, build and run. Wow, we forgot one thing. Close it. Solution Explorer, in class view, MFC client view, double click it. Now we have to change it with the CWinForm control, copy, Control H, Control V here, CWinForms view. Please select this, then current project, replace all. Okay, then save. Then I think everything is ready. Now Control F5 again. Oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. Here, double click it, constructor here, CWinFormsView, CLR, talk play fun, CLR talk play fun, talk. Sorry, we haven't added reference. We have to add a reference. Now close solution, close solution. In the solution folder, CLR command routing solution, CLR talk play fun, right click CLR talk play fun BC X project, edit with visual, edit with Notepad Plus here, open it, and open another one, MFC client, MFC client Visual Studio project file. Then from CLR talk play fun here, copy this text, target framework version. Here, right before root namespace, paste like this. Now save all. Now open the solution once again. Now right click, reference, add a reference. Here, project, solution, CLR, talk play fun. Okay. Now we should add this, save all. Then from here, CLR, talk play fun. CLR talk play fun. This should be debug grid ctrl type ID, save, then Control F7. Okay, Control F5. Now we are adding grid control, grid debug grid control H here, toolbox, container, no, menu and toolbar, tool strip container, dark field, save all, right click, select, debug grid control, make sure double buffer true. Then click once again, toolbar, tool strip, drag and drop here, tool strip, scroll down, rename tool strip debug tool strip, enter, like this, then save all, anchor, no, not anchor, dock, select this one, then click, then select tool strip container, select this one, no, not this one, this, right click, tool strip container, top, tool strip panel, click, button, name it debug tool strip button, enter, and display style, image and text, save it, text, name, change it, debug tool strip button, and name, text, change it to debug, then image before text, like this, save it, then select debug tool strip, name should be debug tool strip, should be selected, then stretch true, then it should be like this. We can add one more here, button, select it, go to tool strip button, text should be go to, then display style, image text, and image text image relation, image above text, like this, save, then toolbox again, DataGridView, drag and drop, dock in parent container, and we name it name here, debug DataGridView, just see DataGrid, debug DataGrid, enter, save, and click this button, edit color, add, name will be file name, and here file name, make sure DataGridView text box column add, then line column, line add, then column, here column, and message column, then message, close. Here select the message, then scroll down, auto size, fill, click OK, right click, select debug control, grid control, make it a little bit bigger like this, save. Now Control F5. Okay, now if we click command, wow, this dialog box opened. This message actually comes from view source code. This message actually comes from here. So we routed MFC event to command to this CLI user control, .NET Framework user control. We routed our command menu to CLI .NET Framework .NET Framework user control. Control F5 again. So in this session we created .NET Framework user control using CLR. Then we hosted it as a view. We can create more views like this. We can put text, we can insert text. In next session we will create command event handler for these commands, and also for DataGridView control. We will in next session we will add event handler for these button and command. Thank you for watching.